lunchroom, every playground, every park, there seems to be lots of dads, but not one for me. Where's my dad? Have you seen him? I know he's near, I can feel him. If you've got his number, I can give him a call. We can meet at the park, we can play football. He don't want to see you, Mum, always sighs. You're a liar, I shout, run away and hide. You don't want to find him, a dad he'll never be. Why, Mum, is it 'cause he's bad like me? Where's my dad? Have you seen him? I know he's near, I can feel him. I've got some stories for him to see. He'd be